Hello, I am Guilherme Cesar, and today we're going to talk about one of the SDRS charts that is the confirmed tissue diagnosis. These specific charts in one of the SDRS page involve all the submissions that have tissue samples that were submitted by the clinicians and requested to have a confirmed diagnosis made by a diagnostician. So the diagnostician make the confirmed diagnosis based on the clinical history provided by the clinician and also the information in the submission. The diagnostic tests that were performed, for example, bacteriology, molecular tests, virus isolation, and every diagnostic test that is involved with this specific submission, and also the histopathologic findings that the diagnosticians will find. Look into the slides that they have from the cases that had tissue submitted. And then after the confirmation, the diagnostician in the chart here, you can see like the number of cases for a specific pathogen. So when you look to the red arrows here in this Venn diagram, the number 44 that are all of the numbers involved in this blue bubble here are all the confirmed Streptococcus suis diagnosis that they have related to the nervous system. And then also when you look to the same bubble chart, you can see that the number one here that is inside the red bubble and also the blue bubble represent a case that had a confirmed diagnosis of streptococcus and also PRRS virus in the same case. And just to follow up with another example of multiple pathogens involving in one case, look into this other bubble here that has like the brown color involved and also the blue color that would represent that you have a confirmed diagnosis of streptococcus and also Actylobacillus suis in the same case. The report also includes a Pareto chart that you can see the top 10 diseases in terms of confirmed tissue diagnosis cases. And you interpret this chart looking to the left to the right that you can see the disease that has the most number of confirmed tissue diagnoses to the one that has less number of confirmed tissue diagnoses in terms of this top 10. And what is important as well, to look to the cumulative line here that you can see the cumulative percentage of cases that these represent. One example, when you look to PRRS here, you can see that it starts close to the 25% of all the confirmed tissue diagnoses could be represented by PRRS, and then this line is continue to increase. And when you look to the top 10 diseases here, the last one, the Mycoplasma hyohyaenus, you can see that these 10 diseases together represent more than 75% of the all confirmed tissue diagnosis of the ISU VDL. So if you want to receive more information about the SDRS report, you can send an email to the SDRS team or scan the QR code here on the corner of the screen to go directly to the SDRS website. Thank you.